I bought two of Amazon's most popular cameras. I'm gonna tell you which one I like. You can't go wrong with either one of them, but they each have pros and cons. I'm gonna answer all your questions. The one we're looking at today is the one up top there. That's gonna be the WYZE Solar Cam. And the other one we're gonna be looking at is right over here, and it's the WYZE bulb cam right over here. So let's go break everything down. All right, before we get started, I'm going to show you the whole installation, everything start to finish, putting it up, how to get the app going, all that. I just kind of want to answer everyone's common questions that they have here. So a lot of people want to know, can you use this indoor and outdoor? While you can use it indoor, it is meant for outdoor. The mounting is meant for outdoor. It is a solar camera. It does not require any power at all. You do need the sun, obviously. You just need about 1 hour of daylight to kind of keep this going for the whole day, which is not a big deal at all. And for whatever reason, if it was like not sunny or something like that, you could literally just pop it off. I'll show you with the mount, and you could plug it in inside and then put it back on the mount if you wanted to. Haven't had that issue at all. No issues with water or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about that. It does have a two-way audio feature. So if I say, hey, what are you doing in my backyard? The person could speak back and I could hear what they are saying as well. They don't need to hit a button or anything like that. I could do that through the app, which I'll show you the app and everything you could track as well, which makes it super easy. And then this camera just has so many other benefits. I'll show you right here so I don't forget any. You got the 360 tip, AI powered motion tracking. I show you in the app exactly how that works. You got the spotlight going on here, water resistance, and weather resistant, which we already talked about. It can tell you whether it's a person, vehicle, pet, all that kind of stuff. Now that you know all the benefits, all the main questions are answered, let me show you how you get this set up. It's actually extremely easy. I am not a handy person at all. I was able to set it up in, I don't know, call it 10 minutes, maybe. So let's get into that. All right, before we get going, you're going to want to charge this camera right off the bat because it will be going outside and it won't have a chance to gather energy from the solar. So you're going to want to charge this up before installing, and you also want to make sure you can connect it. You don't want to be out there, set everything up, and then not able to connect it. So it's much easier to do it inside. You just need their app, which is great. And the cool part about this, you really only need 1 hour of sunlight to power this, so you don't have to worry about charging it constantly. All right, so we're in the app right over here. I already have a camera here, so I just hit add camera. So we're gonna hit camera right over here, and then you're gonna select whichever you want: wired camera, pan and tilt, floodlight camera. We have all sorts of options here. So I'm gonna go with We're gonna go with this one right over here, battery camera. Even though it is a solar one, that's where you're gonna find this one. And then you're gonna go to this one right here, the WYZE Solar Pan Cam. And we're just gonna have this right over here. And we wanna ensure the camera is fully charged, which it is doing now. And the cool part about this is it is super easy. Just follow the directions. I've never really had a camera that was this easy to set up. So I can't show you the whole thing because it's gonna show some information that is gonna flag this video. So I'm gonna show you the end product in a second. All right, so you'll see here, there'll be a setup right over here. You have to press this setup button over here. If you remember, the camera was looking right at us just like this. So you kind of have to lift this up because the setup button is going to be right over here. So we're going to hit that in a second. So we're going to hit setup right over here. This is also where the SD card is going to go. So we're just going to hit setup just like that. And you'll see it's flat, it turned red. So that means we are good to go. And it says ready to connect. And then right over here, as soon as we hear that, as it says in the app, we could go ahead and do that and hit next. You'll see it says, did it say that? You say yes, and you go from there. Now it's going to search for the device. Really, really easy. Like if you don't hear them say that, then you don't have to do anything. You'll see up top, it's telling you when it's connecting. And then we're going to have to pick a network, and I'll get that set up and then come right back. All right, so I selected my network and now it is connecting. You'll see there's like the little Wi-Fi. It's kind of going up and down just like that. It says it's connected. Setup is complete, and now we are good to go, and we're successfully paired with the app. Everything is working, so I'm going to show you the install and everything else now. And a real quick note, it walks you through the setup. It shows you everything that's in the box, and so much nicer than having instructions. So let's go get this set up. So I just kind of wanted to show you this. You see the install here. So you could go back, but it's like, do you want to install this together? And now it's going to walk you through the exact steps you need to take. That's enough about this app. This app is absolutely amazing. Obviously, I'm recording this before doing it because I need to show you the process. But here we go. Time to get out there and get this set up. All right, we're getting super close here. I just installed the bracket outside. So I want this to be on the actual camera itself. You do have the option to have this separate, so you could put it somewhere else if you want.
Upgraded successfully.
I would rather have it on here. You'll see this is actively moving and following me around, but I'll give you a better idea outside. But what I wanted to say is we're gonna put this onto the top over here. You'll see right over here, you could just put this just like that, and then we're gonna put these two screws right into that, and then this piece right here, this is the solar panel, is gonna screw on top of there. Again, if you were gonna put it separate, you're gonna screw this into a piece of wood or wherever you want it, and then connect the solar power. So I'm gonna get this set up, and then we'll be back. All right, we now have the top right over here secure. You'll see everything is mounted just like that. So the next step right over here is just gonna be to put this ball right over here, right into here, and just let it kind of snap in a little bit. And then we're going to put this piece right over here. We're just gonna screw this on just like that. And that's gonna be super easy, just like that. You don't even really have to pop the ball in. You just wanna make sure it's lined up. And now we are good to go. So what's gonna happen now here, I'm gonna go outside. This piece right over here is gonna go right into the bracket. I'm gonna aim this like that out to the sun, where we get the most sun, and we would be done. All right, now that we have everything set up over here, everything is hooked up here. All I need to do is take this and we're gonna put it in that bracket, and then we're good to go. So I'm gonna just hop up right over here, just like this. Grab over here. And then we're literally just gonna put this just like that. Super, super simple. I'm going to show you what it looks like up there so you can see. This is what the setup looks like over here. I'm going to take these wires and put them underneath or zip tie them up. If you ever wanted to take this out for whatever reason, you just push the buttons and it comes right out there. Super easy install on this, which I like. The top over here, you can adjust that however you want. That's the solar panel. So yeah. All right, now the fun part with these cameras. So for the WYZE solar camera, you'll see here, I absolutely love WYZE cameras. We have a couple of them. We're gonna go over the solar one and kind of everything that you get right over here. So this is kind of inside right over here. If you only have one camera, you do not need a subscription or anything like that. If you want to connect 3 cameras, you'll need to do, one will be free, but the other 2, you might want some monitoring with that. So just know that. So we're gonna open this up right over here, and you'll see this has a ton of different options here. So if I want to see what's going on live right now, it's going to show me what's going on live right out there. You have a ton of pan control. So this is kind of cool here. We hit the pan control right over here. Bear with me, I'm going backwards here. So you'll see we could pan however we want. We can copy any motion we want. We can move it back and forth. This also does have motion detection. So I'll show you in a second how that works with the video. But you'll see right here, it just moves back and forth. You can do whatever you want. You could also go up and down. You also, if you want to just take a photo, what's going on right there, it's going to take a footage just like that. It's going to go right to your phone. If you want to record what's going on, you could do the same exact thing. And you have a different other stuff. If someone is back there and you wanted to kind of like scare them, you could hit the siren button and the siren is going to go off as well. Everything is tracked right over here. So if you go through the events, you'll kind of see everything that happened. So it will say person detected. So if you wanted to see what is going on, you could literally just hit this, just like that. And you see it's loading the event, and then it's going to be me walking out there. You'll see I'm just kind of going around. It's panning me as well as I go back and forth and move side to side. I could also download this video if I wanted to on my phone, which is really great. And I really particularly like myself. So I would just hit that download button right down there, and then it's going to go right onto my phone. You could also access, you could log into your WYZE account online, and you could see your cameras on your computer as well if you wanted to. I kind of prefer the app. It's just much easier for me, and usually we're only really looking at the cameras if we're out or doing something else. So a ton of functionality with the app, and you'll see it loaded super quickly, which I personally like. And I love the fact that not all of it goes on your phone. You could go on the web. You could do so many different things with this. So if you are looking for an amazing camera that does not require any wires, any electricity, or anything like that, can film in 2K, has an app, allows you to pan, has the motion detection, has the identifying people and vehicles and all that kind of stuff, and pets, and has anything you could possibly want to imagine, like night vision, being weatherproof, not needing to be plugged in or changing batteries. Like some of those other like the doorbells and stuff like that, you need to keep charging the battery. Super annoying. Having it to be solar is nice. This was easy to mount, easy to assemble. You literally just take the app like I showed you before, and it walks you through. Be like, okay, take the camera out, stick this screw in. Like, you don't have to worry about reading anything. It literally just walks you through everything. And again, no subscription is required, just to use it yourself. Absolutely love this thing. Cannot wait to give you guys an update on how it is going. I've been using this about 2 or 3 weeks now. Absolutely love it. No issues with the solar or anything like that. I was a little on the fence about the solar charging for that reason, but have not had any issues. So if you're looking for a great security camera that does not require electricity, batteries, anything like that, and could literally just be charged by the sun, definitely check this out. I absolutely love it.